Hi, my name is Brittany, and yes, I'm in my car because this is where I do my best ranting, and it's also the quietest place. So why not do my education law rant in my car? So today I want to talk about the law that allows parents to opt their children out from specific units in health, more specifically sex ed. The units that they're not allowed to opt out are on sexual orientation and homosexuality. As a phys ed teacher, you could say I'm pretty biased, but I truly believe that health is one of the most important classes to take. The point of the new curriculum is adjusting the way us teachers are already teaching the curriculum. So we're not implementing something new, we're just trying to shift to the way that society is going. Something that I really like that the government has implemented in the curriculum is educating students about the consequences and risks that they take while on social media. Technology is a huge part of our society, and almost every single person has access to the internet. So they're going to get their information from somewhere. If I was a parent, I'd want my children to have a person, more specifically a teacher, who's kind of middle ground, where it's not a parent that's just kind of nagging their kid, but it's a teacher who are educated and they're trying to inform children on the risks behind the actions they take. We want to prevent teenagers from suffering the long-term effects of participating in risky behaviors. We know that teenagers are going to make risk-taking decisions, so we want to educate them on what happens when they do make these decisions and what they can do after they've already made them, where they can go, what they can seek, how they can prevent themselves from getting an STI if they do take these risks, because these are their health risks. We want them to be safe. The safety of our children is the most important thing. And this new education act is just allowing parents to take their kids out of something that they just don't agree with, or they don't want their children to know about because they think that they're encouraging them to be more sexual beings. It's not encouraging them. It's if they make these decisions, this is what they can do, and this is where they can get help, or this is what they should do because we want them to be safe. So the new curriculum is now explicit reference to body parts to help students protect themselves from unwanted pregnancies, which I read in a new news article, which I'm going to attach in my references. And it also informs them about STIs that they can get from not just sex alone, that they need to understand that they can get it from other things. It's also important to explain human rights and homosexuality at an appropriate age so that teachers have answers for their students when they come to them about either sexual orientation or even things such as masturbation, which you don't think is a big thing really to kids or to students, but it could be. And as us teachers, the students want to come to us because they trust us and they want to get their information from somewhere. So why not get their information from us who actually have the education than the internet? Well, thank you for listening to my rant and have a good day.